Come on, where's the defense? You guys are like
Number 4.
Talk to the defense!
Talk, D!
Keep moving, keep moving! Nice! Nice!
There you go, Alex! Yeah!
Come on!
There you go, boy!
Let's go!
Deep ball! Deep ball shot! Oh.
Go, Austin!
Nice.
Get there, Alex. Get there, Alex.
Hustle up.
Good there.
Go, Alex!
Nice.
Nice pass.
Take it to the net.
Go! Shoot!
I'll go to the end and at least sign in so they know I'm in. And Here, take my spot. I know, I set it up for you. Hey, Don, this is my wife, Dawn. We went to school together, and then Jackson's been playing against his son in the top. Okay, where's my mark? You can see I didn't just bring something small.
There you go!
Heads up, heads up. Come on, somebody take him. Try to take somebody. Don't stand there.
There you go. Get the stick in his face.
We need halfway.
Get him, Alex. Yeah.
This is our team MVP. Now, usually a team MVP is like the guy who gets the most goals, right? That's what happens when you're 55. 45, I'm sorry. My most valuable player, okay? This is a kid that, if we didn't have this kid, tenacious. I don't know where we would be. But always went against the other team's best player. And often just shut him down. I mean, sometimes just took kids out of games. Clayton Valley, their big biddy, took them out of the game. Wasn't a factor. Berean Christian, the one kid that could play, at a decent level on that team, poor kid, had to go against this guy and did nothing. He's only a sophomore, and he's got a tremendous amount. We get this kid to learn how to pick up a ground ball every time. It's not you, Alex. I'm not the only one. No, it's Alex Stevenson.
Yeah. Alex.
All right. Okay, and also a special shout out to Carolyn Diggs, who assisted me in the day-to-day running of the celebration. So a big hand. Thank you very much, Carol. I really appreciate it.
Nice job, buddy.
I know Mrs. Spector has been with the program last year, and this year does a lot for the JV. I know it does a lot behind the scenes, and it's probably a good reason why we're here tonight, right?
She runs the show. Give her a round of applause.
Woo!
There you go.
Get there, Alex.
Come on, Alex.
Go, Alex. Help, help, help. Nice. He's yelling at Dee Dee to...
There you go. Let's go, guys.
That's yours, Alex. Go, Alex. Nice.
Get him out. Get him out, Alex.
Get him, Alex. Get 12 out of there. Go, Alex!
You got that.
Go! All the way! Go! Rip it! Oh!
Interesting.
That That was very
That was
strange.
perfect. He was there.
Get him, Alex! Get that ball! Get that ball!
Get him, Alex! Get him! Get him! Stay on him, boy!